In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Semrush Agency Partner. If you're an agency looking to leverage the power of Semrush's comprehensive digital marketing tools and gain recognition as a trusted partner, then you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Semrush website. You can simply open your favorite web browser and type in the URL, semrush.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Semrush account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have to create one in order to proceed with becoming an agency partner. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your account icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you'll want to select Manage Users. This section is where you'll handle various account settings and permissions, which is an essential part of managing your agency's presence on Semrush. Once you're in the Manage Users section, look for the option that says Agency Partners. Clicking on this will take you to the specific area designed for agencies aspiring to become partners. Here, you'll find all the necessary details and requirements to join the program. It's important to note that becoming a Semrush Agency Partner is a paid feature. This means you'll need to be prepared to invest in this opportunity. The benefits, however, can be significant, providing your agency with added credibility and access to an array of tools and resources that can help you better serve your clients. As you navigate through the process, make sure to carefully follow the steps and adhere to the rules outlined by Semrush. These guidelines are in place to ensure that all partners represent the brand effectively and maintain a high standard of service. Finally, in the details of your agency profile, you'll want to ensure all information is accurate and up to date. This will help Semrush assess your suitability for the program, and once accepted, it will enhance your visibility to potential clients seeking trusted digital marketing agencies. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to becoming a Semrush Agency Partner, opening up new possibilities for your business and helping you deliver even greater value to your clients. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Semrush's support team for help. Good luck, and welcome to the world of enhanced digital marketing capabilities.